Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Cool Down Channel. Okay. Let's practice English with me today. I'm going to share you how to pronounce T sound and the sound. How is different? Okay, before we go to the lesson, I have to check the sound from my live stream to make sure everything is okay. The first thing I prepare for you today. Today we're gonna learn how to pronounce T sound and TS sound. What is different between T and th sound? T and th sound. And I'm gonna show you what is different between D and the sound. Okay, all right. If you can hear my voice, you can write, say hi, say hello in comment. If you can write in English, you can write in English to talk English with me. It's really important if you want to speak English. The first thing you have to think in English first. If you think in English, you can say hi, say hello in English. It's not difficult to think in English when you learn English the first time. You think what thing you can think. Short sentence. It's easy you to help to think in English. Okay? You can say hi, say hello with me in English. Today I'm going to share you how to pronounce T sound and th and D sound. Why we learn the sound in English? Because there are many Thai people, they're not confident when they speak English. It's so difficult because they lack of practice. Learn about pronoun, learn about sound in English, and help you to speak English confident. It's not also learn how to pronounce the word, learn how to pronounce about sound that easy to help you to speak. It's not only help you to speak English, but it's also help you to listening your English is well. Listening from video in English, listening from foreigner to talk, to speak with you in English easily. You know? Okay, everything is alright. If you can hear my voice, you can say hi, say hello down below in the comment. Before I go to the lesson, I will check the sound from my live stream to make sure everything is okay. Okay, alright. Are you ready to learn English with me? If you're ready, you can write I'm ready. Okay? If you would like to speak English with me, learn how to speak in English, you can write the sentence in English or any question about in English or about your day to share with me. That help you to think in English. That's easy when you speak. When you would like to speak, you will think in English easily. Okay, right? Okay. The sound is okay. Okay, all right. Are you ready?
The sound is okay.
Oh, don't think too much. Don't think too much when you would like to speak English. Oh, good evening พี่ถุงเงินนะ Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your comment. And okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Are you ready? Okay. The first of all, we will learn what is different between t sound and sound. Okay, right? Look at this. Look at this. You know, IPA symbol. สัญลักษณ์ IPA. สัญลักษณ์ voice unvoiced. TH unvoiced sound. What is the first we learn how to pronounce t sound. Okay, right? T sound. You can put your tongue touch the gum ridge. Okay, like it. And when you say t, you down your tongue. You put your tongue down and throw the sound out of your mouth. That is easily for t sound, you know. T. Okay, right? T sound. T. If you don't remember, if you feel about, teacher is so difficult, I can't remember this sound. The easy way to help you to remember the sound, you think when you watch tennis game in the course. You see tennis, you know. When you see tennis, you listen the sound. Tennis, the ball, tennis ball. Sound like this. Okay, all right. Okay, that is easy. T sound. And the next sound, TH, unvoiced. TH there are two sound, unvoiced and voiced. The first one we learn unvoiced. Compare with t sound. TH sound like it sound. It's not the same. Just like แค่คล้ายๆนะคะ TH แค่คล้ายๆแบบเสียง T แต่ไม่ใช่เหมือนนะโอเคwhen you would like to pronounce TH voice sound, put your tongue between your teeth like this, and throw the air out of your mouth like this. Put your tongue between your teeth. Okay? Okay, all right. And the next step, we're gonna learn how to pronounce the words. How is different between t and sound. Okay, all right. Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready? The first couple of words. This word. That is easy to pronounce. Okay, all right. Oh, sorry. Okay, the first word. Team. And theme. It's not the same. Team. If you pronounce th like, if you don't show a little bit of your tongue, it sounds like a team. You don't need to show your tongue when you pronounce team. That is theme. Okay? Okay. One more time. Team and theme. If you can separate between t and sound, it's how you pronounce the word, right? And help you to listening. When you watch video, when you speak with foreigner, okay? It's important. You have to know the what is the difference between them, okay? If you have any question about words, if you use and you don't know how to pronounce, you can write this word. You can write this word in comment, and I will show you how to pronounce it. Okay? Don't think too much. Don't be shy when you learn how to speak. Dare to speak. Dare to think in English. Dare to pronounce the words. Don't worry. If you pronounce wrong, you can learn how to pronounce right. That's it. Okay? The next word. The next word. The next word. Oh, this word, there are many people is pronounced wrong. Pronounced wrong. Okay? When you can't pronounce the words, don't think too much. You just learn to pronounce the right way. That is easy. The first word. Tank. Okay? The second word. Thank. If you show a little bit your tongue. Thank. If you say like this, thank you. Which one? Yes, this. Thank you. It's not right. Okay? Thank. Okay, all right? That's easy. Thank you. Thank. Okay. If you have any question about the words or sentence you use in your daily, you can write your sentence, your word in comment. I will show you. Okay. I will show you how to pronounce. Okay, next word. next word next word tick thick unvoiced ts unvoiced thick it's not the same thick thick try to practice with me if you want to improve your pronunciation if you want to improve your speaking let's practice with me okay thick that's not easy for a new student who never know about the sound in English before but you can practice okay thick the neck if you have any question you can write your question if you have any question you can write your question in the comment okay next do you want to know why I can speak English if you want to know I will share you do you want to know why I can speak English I live in Ubon Ratchathani and I don't have any foreigner around my house why I can speak like this do you want to know okay the next word t sound t Thai okay Thai and ts unvoiced thigh focus on the sound first because it helps you pronounce right and it helps you when you learn listening from foreigner if you would like to pronounce the word easily it's necessary you have to listen when people speaking because we learn speaking from listening you will improve your pronunciation first if you can listening foreigner speak English okay Thai if you have any question or you would like to talk with me มีไหมหรือว่าคอมเมนต์ไม่ขึ้นyou would like to talk with me มีไหมหรือว่าคอมเมนต์โอเคโอเค next word Thai we can learn pronoun directly in English sound we don't need to translate English to Thai sound you know we can learn it save your time to learn English first okay the next words on tone th unvoiced sound tone tone okay that's all right easy tone okay next word if you have any question if you don't have any question you can say hi say hello with me how was your day you can share with me how are you today okay all right it's really important if you would like to speak English you have to train your brain think in English it's easily when you will speak automatically you should think in English first okay Nick next word do you have any question this a couple of words is so difficult for you you choose branding the word first is make sure to make sure you pronounce it right okay ash trash s sound sh two letter one sound two letter just one sound trash and another one ash ash thrash okay trash thrash that's easy you need to if you new here you have to learn how to practice okay right trash ash trash ash thrash okay right everyone you can say hi say hello you can say hi say hello if you have any question you can comment below there are many Thai people they can't pronounce the th sound it's difficult for Thai people okay for Thai people and for other people to learn next word okay tree T ไม่ใช่ sorry tree อีกคำหนึ่ง T okay right T three and tree okay the last for th unvoiced sound th unvoiced sound okay all right st st tur sound like a bird what do you mean คุณเฉลียวนะคุณเฉลียวtrust okay trust the ending of birds trust thrust okay trust thrust okay all right มีคำถามไหมคะมีคำถามไหมประมาณนี้นะโอ้นี่ pronunciation first if you can listening okay everything is all right everything is all right and the next word นะคะ the sound is so easy and voice th voiced นะคะ th voiced sound and the sound yeah th voice sound this sound like a the sound but it's not the same sound okay นะคะth เนี่ยเสียงคล้ายๆดีนะคะแต่ว่าก็ไม่ได้เหมือนทั้งหมดนะแต่คล้ายๆถ้าใครแบบจะเทียบนะอันนี้จะเป็น d airโอเค แบบนี้ก็ได้นะคะ air มันเป็นth voiced sound like a air there okay it's not the same okay day day เอาใหม่they okay they มีอีกไหมอีกคำนะ do 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 o o do 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 อันนี้ do 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 โอเคไหมมีคำถามไหมคะDo you have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have problem in English when you learn to speak? มีใครมีคำถามไหมเอ่ยอันนี้ก็วันนี้ก็เสียง T กับ TH นะคะ T กับ TH ฝึกนะคะต้องฝึกpractice makes better นะ practice make better ไม่มี perfect นะไม่มี perfect นะมีแต่ดีขึ้นโอเคไหมถ้ามัน perfect เมื่อไหร่แล้วก็เหมือนถึงแบบหมายถึงเราไม่มีการพัฒนาแล้วนะคะเราต้องแบบพัฒนาไปเรื่อยดีขึ้นไปเรื่อยดีขึ้นไปเรื่อยโอเคไหมโอเคนะคะถ้าใครชอบไหมครูสอนเป็นภาษาอังกฤษชอบไหมได้ฝึกการฟังด้วยนะคะโอเคไหมนะคุณต้องแบบว่าเนี่ยเป้าหมายนะคุณต้องแบบฝึกฟังแบบนี้ให้ได้คุณต้องมีเป้าหมายทำเป้าหมายอย่างนี้ก็ได้นะถ้าใครแบบไม่มีเป้าหมายแบบว่าฉันต้องฟังครูฝรั่งออกอย่างเงี้ยมันง่ายนะเป้าหมายแบบนี้มันง่ายเพราะว่าอะไรภาษาอังกฤษข้างนอกนะคะถ้าเขาไม่ได้เป็นครูเนาะภาษาอังกฤษทั่วไปมันอาจจะฟังยากสำหรับคนใหม่แต่ถ้าคุณเป็นคนใหม่นะที่เรียนนะคะที่เรียนแล้วแบบเป้าหมายคือฟังครูฝรั่งออกเวลาเขาพูดนะคะมันก็จะครูฝรั่งเขาครูสอนภาษาอังกฤษนะคะเขารู้ว่าเขาจะพูดช้าเขาจะพูดชัดอย่างเงี้ยเพื่อให้คุณตามเขาได้ทันเหมือนกันเพื่อให้คุณฟังเขาออกเหมือนกันนะคะมันครูก็เริ่มจากดูคลิปเป็นภาษาอังกฤษก็เริ่มจากดูคลิปครูฝรั่งเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะคะใครชอบครูคนไหนก็ไปมองไว้นะคะไปดูไว้นะคะมันก็จะเห็นการพัฒนาของเรานะเช่นเหมือนอย่างครูตอนแรกก็ฟังไม่ออกอย่างเงี้ยนะคะแต่เราก็ดูคลิปไว้นะพอเราฝึกไปแล้วก็กลับมาฟังใหม่นะถ้าเราฟังออกฟังได้ก็แสดงว่าภาษาอังกฤษเราพัฒนาแต่เรามีความก้าวหน้าอย่างเงี้ยเช็คแบบง่ายๆนะคะโอเคไหมนะคะขอบคุณทุกคอมเมนต์นะขอบคุณทุกหัวใจและยิ้มนะถ้าใครชอบแบบนี้ก็มาเจอกันนะคะมาเจอกันที่เพจนะคุณครูก็สอนตั้งแต่พื้นฐานเลยนะคะถ้าใครไม่มีอะไรแล้วนะคะก็ครูไปแล้วนะคะขอบคุณทุกการติดตามนะขอบคุณทุกคอมเมนต์ขอบคุณทุกหัวใจและยิ้มนะคะแล้วก็ขอบคุณเวลานะคะที่มาดูกัน thank you for you watching โอเคไปแล้วนะบ๊ายบาย